So hello everyone, we will begin with exercise 7.2. Exercise 7.2. Well, so we'll start with the construction on 9 of 3. Okay. So what does it say? It says you have to construct a quadrilateral where 3 sides are given, 3.2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter, and 2 diagonals are given, which is 2.8 centimeter and 4.5 centimeter. So we have to so let's take these 3 sides accordingly. 3.2 centimeter from here, so 3.2 centimeter. Well, then another side which is 3 centimeter. Okay. Then another side which is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so this is A, this is B, this is C. 3.2 cm. This one is 3 centimeter and this one is 3.5 centimeter. So we have 2 diagonals also given. So let's draw these 2 diagonals over here. One is 2.8 centimeter, the first one, 2.8, and the another one is 4.5 centimeter. So this is D, this is E, 2 diagonals. One is 2.8 cm, another one is 4.5 cm. Okay, so done. Now we have to draw our quadrilateral. So let's take a side over here. Let's take any ray, BE. Okay, so this is BE, and at first we'll take the largest diagonal, which is 4.5 centimeter of E, and cut from B E. Okay, done. So let's assume this is D. Nice. So now what we have to do, take the length of the first side, which is 3.2 centimeter, and from B we'll draw an arc, and take the length of B as well, which is 3 centimeter, and draw an arc from D, and both of these arcs intersected at point A. So now take the length of the diagonal, the remaining diagonal, which is 2.8 centimeter. Okay, now from point A we'll draw an arc over here. Okay, so now take the last remaining side, we have C, which is 3.5 centimeter, and from point B we'll draw an arc over here. Done. So let's assume this point is C. So now take your scale and sharpened pencil so that you do not miss the points. So just join it carefully. Okay, so connecting CD, the 2 diagonals also should be connected. AC, A and C is the diagonal, and B and D is the diagonal. So now join AB, then BC, BC, and finally join AD. So done. I hope you can saw the figure So I have connected AB, BC, CD and AD, and finally A comma C. So this is our required quadrilateral. A, B, C, D is the required quadrilateral. Okay, so you can do some leveling over there. This is E, this is D, this is A, this is B, and finally this is C. Done. So this is our figure. We will connect A, B, B, C, C, D and AD finally. Also 9 of 3 is done. I hope you can draw the construction number 10, because this is the equivalent constructions of construction number 4 and 5 of our actual theorem in our book. So now I will go through exercise number 11 from 7.1. okay, so this is 11. So in 11 we have the question written as follows: the sides AB and BC and the angles B, angle C and angle D of the quadrilateral ABCD are given. Construct the triangle. So we have 2 sides are given and 3 angles are given as well. So we have to draw the quadrilateral. So there is no specific measurement for this, so we can take any random length for the size. Okay, so let's take a side over here. It's a big size, and let's take a little bit smaller than this, another side. Okay, done. Okay, I think this is not visible that much. So one side is here and one side is here. Okay, we have taken 2 sides. So one side is suppose A, another side is B, and we have to draw 3 angles accordingly. So let's draw some angles and another angles over here. Well done. And finally we will draw any ray which is BE. This is B, this is E. Well, so it's very easy. So now take the largest one, largest side as your base. So take the length of small a. From B we will cut an arc which is B D C. Yeah, C, enough. Okay, so this is C. Now draw these 2 angles accordingly. So angle X, Y and Z. So let's draw the angle X first. Now you can take according to your wish how much angle do you want to take. Okay. So no issue with that. Well, so this is angle X is written, so let's write it X. So now take angle Y, and this angle Y draw this angle from C. Well, so now join these 2 points. Okay, and these 2 points as well. Okay, done. And join this as well, because you have to show that you have just take these angles. So join this two as well. So this is angle Y, this is angle X, this is angle Y. Done. So now we have to take the remaining side, which is B, and take the length of B over here. Okay, so from C we'll cut this part. Yeah, nice. Okay, so let's assume this is A, B, C, D. This is D. Okay, now what? Now we have another angle left over here, so let's draw this angle, which is angle Z, let's assume. Okay, well, okay, so now we will join these two sides, these 2 points. Oops. Okay, I think I should go for some other angles. Okay, okay, we are taking this angle, okay, or something like this. Okay, so we are going for this angle. Yeah, so now point join these two sides. Done. So this side intersect BF in point A, and this is the angle like G. Well, so A, B, C, D is our required. This is A, the side, and the another side is angle B. Let's assume this is angle Z and this is angle Z. So A, B, C, D is our required parallelogram, required quadrilateral. A, B, C, D is the required quadrilateral. Okay, done. So this is 11. Well, I hope you guys understood. Also, now we will move forward to construction number 12. Okay, this is important. The question is, the 4 segments made by intersecting points of the diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD and an included angle between them are OA is equals to 4 cm, OB is equals to 5 cm, OC is equals to 3.5 cm, OD is equals to 4.5 cm, and angle AOB, which is 80 degree, is respectively given. We have to construct the quadrilateral. So now this is number 12. So there are in total 4 intersected sides are given. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so first we have 4 cm, which is OA. So let's take 4 cm first. 4 cm. This one is OA. Well, so next we have 5 cm. So let's take 5 over here. This one is 5 cm, which is OB. Well, okay, next we have 3.5 cm. 3.5 cm, which is OC. And next we have 4.5 centimeter. Well, so this is 4.5 cm, which is OD, odd, 4.5 centimeter. And we have an angle is given, so let's draw this angle over here, which is 80 degree. Okay, so let's take the protractor and draw an 80 degree angle over here. So this is 80. So now join this and this. Done. So let's assume this is angle. This is actually angle AOB. Well, AOB, which is 80 degree. Okay. So now what? We have to draw this quadrilateral. This is also very easy. Just follow the way I am going to draw. Well, so let's take this is become carved. Let's make it straight. Wow, now good. So now what we have to do, take the length of OA is equals to OA is equals to 4 centimeter. Take this first and cut over here. Done. So now take OB, which is 5 cent. Now take OC, okay, OC, which is 3.5 centimeter, which is 3.5 centimeter. Done. So this is our A. So this is our A, and this is our C, and this is this point which is O actually. Well, so now let's draw the angle AOB over here. Now join these 2 points and extend both upwards and downwards. Okay, great. So we have O is here. So now it's pretty easy right now. So now take the length of OB, from O, cut an arc over here, which is B, and now take the length of OD, and from O we'll cut an arc over here as well. So this is point D. Well, so now connect this AB, BC, CD and AD, and we are good to go. So A and C, connect it, then connect CD. Now connect AB, and finally connect AD. So now we are done. So this OA is equals to 4 cm, and this OC is equals to 3.5 cm, this OB is equals to 5 cm, and this OD is equals to 4.5 cm. So this is our from any ray BAE, well, from any ray AE. So this A, B, C, D is the required quadrilateral. Done. So we are done with question number 12. Well, it's pretty easy, just you have to follow the steps accordingly. So now we are moving to question number 13. Well, nice. So what is written? The length of a side of a rhombus and an angle are 3.5 centimeter, and the length of a side which is 3.5 centimeter and an angle 45 degree of a rhombus is given. You have to construct the rhombus. Well, so not that tough. Okay, so we are just draw a 3.5 centimeter side, 3.5 centimeter side, well, and an angle of 45 degree. Okay, nice. So now take any ray BE. So this is our A, which is 3.5 centimeter. Great. And we have to draw a 45 degree angle over here. You can use protractor, or you can draw a 90 degree angle first, perpendicular first, then bisect this angle as well. So I am here using a protractor. Well, so a 45 is over here. Done. So let's assume this angle is X. Well, this one is 45 degree. So now we know rhombus has equal sides. Okay, so what we have to do, let's take this 3.5 centimeter from any ray BE and cut BC. Well, okay, so from any ray BE we have cut A, B, this is C. Okay, nice. So now draw this 45 degree angle over here. Now join these 2 points and extend it further. Great. Now it's become very easy to draw a rhombus. Now you have to draw 3 more arcs with the length, equal length of small a, which is 3.5 centimeter. Each one is, first one is here, second one is here, and the last and the final one is from this arc to here. So now join this and we are done. This is F. Yeah, good to go. So now join this and this. Done. So let's assume this is A and this is D. So A, B, C, D is the required rhombus. Done. It's pretty simple. 13. Oh wait, this is angle x, okay? So you have to just level it, and this is small a, this is small a, this is small a, and this is small a as well. 4 sides are equal. All the sides are equal in a rhombus. Also, we're done with 13. Now we have to draw 14. Yeah, nice. So this is 14. So what is the question for 14? The length of a side and the diagonal of a rhombus are given. Construct the rhombus. So what is given to us? A side is given. So let's take a side of any length. Side should be not more than 5 centimeter, because if you draw a side bigger, then your figure will be bigger. Okay, so make sure don't take it so big. And another diagonal is given, so you can take the diagonal bigger than your side. Okay, like 5 to 7 centimeter would be enough, I guess. Anyway, so A and this is B. Well, now what we have to take any ray BE over here. So this is B and this is E. Great. So now what? Now take the length of the diagonal first. So this is the diagonal over here. Take the length of the diagonal first, and from BE cut BC with the length of the diagonal. So let's assume this is C. Okay, this is the small b. Okay. So now take this length of the side, which is A. Well, now draw 4 arcs accordingly. One is upward, one is downward from B, and with the same length from C we'll draw another arc over here and another arc over here. Done. So now join 4 of these sides. So join this point A, B. Well, so A. Well, we can write this as follows. Okay, we'll write it later on. So now join these 2 sides, these 2 points. Oh, nice. And these 2 points as well. And finally these points as well. Done. We can A, B. Let's take this C as D. Okay, so this is D and this is C. This is the length of A. So A, B, C, D is the recurved rhombus. Done. Pretty simple as that. So now we are moving to figure number exercise number 15. Okay, so where's my pen? Yeah, so this is 1-5. So what is written over there? The length of 2 diagonals of a rhombus are given. Construct the rhombus. So now we have 2 diagonals are given, but there isn't any sides. Okay, so 2 diagonals. So let's take one diagonal first. Okay, and let's take another diagonal like this. Okay, nice. So now take any ray BE over here. So let's assume this is B, this is E. So now what? So first, this is A, the first diagonal, and this is B, the second diagonal. So first take the length of A, equal length of A, and cut an arc from B, E, which is D. Nice. So now what? Now we have to find the midpoint of BD. So how we can draw a midpoint? So find out a midpoint. So take more than 50% of the length of BD, more than 50% of the length of BD, and draw arcs on both sides. Same length, we'll draw over arc over here as well. So now join this two. Done. So now what to do? Now we have another diagonal left over here. Well, so let's take the 50% of the more than 50% of this and construct and draw two arcs over here as well. We have to bisect these diagonals actually in equal to portion. So just find out the midpoint, and it is equally divided. Well, so now take the half of B, and from this point, let's assume this point is O. Well, draw an arc over here and draw an arc over here as well. So now what to do? Well, let's assume this is point O. So now join these sides. This is A. This is B and C. This is C. And finally join A comma B. Done. So A, B, C, D is the required quadrilateral. Done. So we are done with question now 15. I hope you guys understood it. Well, so and finally we are going to draw our last figure of 7.2, which is figure number 16. Well, 16, which is the perimeter of a square is given. Well, so we have to construct a square. Well, so let's take a perimeter. Well, so a big length would be enough, I guess. So let's take this almost 5 centimeter, 5 inch. A bigger side would be enough. Well, so this is the perimeter P. Well, perimeter of the square is given. So now what we have to do, construct the square. So let's take a side, any ray which is BE. Well, so now we have to 1/4. So let's take the more than 50% of this side more than 50%, and I have to bisect. Well, and from here as well. So now determine the midpoint of this perimeter, which is this. Now take the more than 50% of this portion, okay, from the midpoint, and take another arcs on both sides, same as from P as well. So now find out this midpoint as well. So we have just find 1/4 of P. Okay, so this is also 1/4 of P. Great. And this is entirely 1/2 of P. This total portion is half of the P, and this portion 1/4 of P in total. And in total it become half of P. Also now it's pretty easy right now. Now draw a perpendicular from point B. Since this is a square, so you have to make sure that all angles are 90 degrees. Great. So now take the length of 1/4 of P. Okay, done. Taken 1/4 of P, and from B we'll cut an arc over here and cut an arc over here as well. Well, and from here we'll cut another arc over here, and from this point we'll cut another arc over here as well. Finally, we'll join both of these points. So let's assume this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. So each of them is P/4. This one is P/4. This one is P/4. This one is P/4. Okay. So this is our actually our interperimeter, and we have just drawn our construction, a perfect square. Well, so done. So that's end of our exercise 7.2. Hope you guys understood the lessons. Thanks for watching. See you guys at the next one. Bye.